Hello everyone, welcome to English with Uma. Do you ever unwrap a piece of chocolate, letting it melt slowly on your tongue, feeling that instant wave of pure delight, comfort, and happiness as the rich flavors dance and the sweetness spreads warmth through your whole body? Wanting to describe that heavenly moment or share why chocolate feels like a little hug from life itself. But when you try in English, the words feel too ordinary or limited, holding back the full, delicious magic you long to express. Like you're celebrating Chocolate Day on February 9th, the third day of Valentine's Week, when the world indulges in creamy treats to share love, friendship, and joy, or savoring your favorite bar on a cozy evening, craving to talk about the smooth texture, the decadent taste, the irresistible temptation that lifts your mood. But your English vocabulary stays basic, making your chocolate stories feel flat when they could be as rich and satisfying as the treat itself. Maybe you've dreamed of a fun, mouth-watering story that celebrates Chocolate Day while unlocking new English words naturally. Words for flavors, indulgence, happiness, and sharing, so you can describe treats vividly, express joy sweetly, and make your English as smooth, rich, and satisfying as your favorite chocolate on this special day. My friend, let me be straight with you from the heart, with the warm, comforting sweetness that Chocolate Day on February 9th spreads to chocolate lovers everywhere. Learning English through a Chocolate Day story isn't about strict rules or bland lists. It's about letting the irresistible allure of chocolate, creamy and melting, rich and decadent, sweet yet sometimes with a hint of bitter, carry words of indulgence, happiness, and sharing into your English naturally, helping you express joy, temptation, comfort, and little pleasures with the flavor and warmth they deserve. It's not about plain, good, or yummy that misses the depth. It's not about avoiding indulgence to be serious. It's not even about perfect sentences right away. That's not the chocolate way. No, it's about allowing one delicious story to weave vocabulary seamlessly. Words like truffle, cocoa, velvety, and blissful appearing in context, so you taste them, feel them, and remember them through smiles and cravings. Because when you learn English this way on Chocolate Day, sweet things happen. Your vocabulary grows with words perfect for food, emotions, and happiness. Your listening tunes to tempting rhythms and descriptions, and your speaking becomes more expressive and inviting, helping you share recipes, memories, or simple joys with the richness they deserve. Think about it deeply for a moment, letting the sweetness linger. Imagine describing your favorite chocolate with words like heavenly, gooey, or addictive, making listeners smile and crave a bite too. You can learn daily phrases later. You can explore idioms another time. You can master conversations when ready. But without chocolate-inspired stories, if you stick to neutral words, flavor fades. You can't build joyful English without sweetness to savor. Every word in this story now is a piece of chocolate, making your English smoother, richer, and yours. Now, I'm not here to make this complicated or calorie counting. This is pure celebration of delicious joy in all forms, sharing with loved ones, treating yourself, or simply enjoying life's sweet moments. I just want you to grasp something vital and empowering. Fun, indulgent stories like this unlock English best because they combine pleasure with learning, making words stick through cravings and smiles, as millions celebrate Chocolate Day every February 9th with treats that say, "I care" or "enjoy." Every day offers moments for this, like morning chocolate thoughts or evening indulgence. What you do with them, savor the story or skip, shapes your words, delight, and English sweetness. If you think food topics are too light for practice, you're missing their richness. They tempt like nothing else. But here's the mouth-watering part, the heart of this episode. You can learn English deliciously right now, celebrating Chocolate Day with this story. The Delicious Story, The Secret Chocolate Factory Adventure, Chocolate Day Tale. In a bustling town famous for sweets, there was a mysterious chocolate factory owned by a kind man named Mr. Cocoa. The factory was filled with the enticing aroma of melted chocolate, making everyone crave a taste. Mr. Cocoa made the most exquisite treats: silky milk chocolate bars, dark and bittersweet truffles, creamy pralines, and gooey fudge. One chocolate day, February 9th, a curious girl named Rhea won a golden ticket to visit. She was thrilled, her eyes wide with anticipation. Inside, machines whirred, pouring luscious chocolate into molds. "This is heavenly," Rhea exclaimed as she sampled a velvety piece. The flavor was rich, decadent, with hints of vanilla and hazelnut, irresistible and addictive. Mr. Cocoa smiled. "Chocolate is magic. It brings bliss, comfort, and happiness. Share it with love." Rhea helped wrap assorted boxes for friends, smooth caramels for joy, nutty clusters for warmth. Everyone in town received gifts, feeling content and cheerful. Rhea learned, a little chocolate makes life sweeter. From then on, every chocolate day, she shared treats, spreading delight. The end. Bolded vocabulary words: bustling, mysterious, enticing, aroma, melted, crave, exquisite, silky, dark, bittersweet, creamy, gooey, thrilled, wide, anticipation, luscious, heavenly, velvety, rich, decadent, vanilla, hazelnut, irresistible, addictive, bliss, comfort, happiness, assorted, smooth, nutty, content, cheerful, sweeter, delight. My friend, did the story make you crave chocolate and words? These add delicious flavor. To master them temptingly, 16 ideas. First, read/listen 3 times. First for joy, second for words, third for taste. Second, repeat delicious lines. "This is heavenly." Third, personal treat. "My chocolate is creamy." Fourth, visualize factory. See luscious pouring. Fifth, retell sweetly. Add your chocolate day. Sixth, your why. To describe joy deliciously. Seventh, group by taste. Texture, silky, gooey. Feeling, bliss, content. Eighth, daily sweetness. Use one word for food. Ninth, synonyms. Decadent equals luxurious. 10th, draw treats, label words. 11th, share chocolate memory. Use 10 words. 12th, journal delight. What makes me happy? 13th, quiz flavor. Match words. 14th, extend factory. Then Rhea. 15th, real day. Chocolate facts. 16th, celebrate indulgence. Enjoy a piece after. Clarify, delight in every word. Ask, did sweetness grow? Tale, teacher, chocolate like English, melts hearts. I know your English delights. Challenge, read 3 times, retell with 15 words. Share favorite. You're learning sweetly now. Brave. This story your treat. Decide. I believe. Breathe, indulge. Thank you for delicious practice. Proud. Keep sweet. See you next. Take care. Happy Chocolate Day. Enjoy the sweetness.